Good evening. My name is Pauline Jackson and I'm joined today by Emma Jones. We will be doing a PowerPoint presentation on engineering, manufacturing and warehousing. We will take questions at the end of the session. We will also upload the PowerPoints onto our YouTube channel and our Connexions website. Also on Saturday the 30th, we will deal with the broader vocational areas. And on Saturday, if you have a question, send it to sandwell_connections@sandwell.gov.uk.
I only stumbled on engineering by accident and immediately decided what I wanted to do: make things that work better. This is a quote from James Dyson, a British engineer and inventor. The demand for engineers isn't limited to the UK. They are needed all over the world. Every year the UK faces an annual shortfall of 59,000 engineers. Failing to address it could cost the economy $27 billion every year from 2022. Dyson has grown from one man with one idea to a global technology enterprise of over 10,000 people. Nearly half of them are engineers. From acoustic to robotics, software to electronics, engineers use their diverse skills to solve problems and innovate new ideas. Today, the engineering industry finds itself in the midst of the fourth industrial revolution. This is set to transform work at rapid speed through growing technologies such as artificial intelligence, advanced robotics, cognitive automation, advanced analytics, and the Internet of Things. These all sound very futuristic indeed. Britain is great at engineering. Engineering companies are projected to need 1.8 million new engineers and technicians by 2025. This means we need to double the number of engineering-related apprentices and graduates coming out of college and universities too. Close your eyes for a second and imagine the world in 2030, 2040 or even 2050. Has it stayed the same? Or do you see driverless electric cars, renewable energy powering our lives, intelligent transport, connected sensors forming the Internet of Things, and healthcare systems monitoring and supporting people in their own homes? Do you expect to be using the same smartphone in 2030? What will your phone be capable of in 2050? The possibilities are endless. Engineers are pioneering this change. Engineering roles to consider. You could try breaking into an area experiencing growth, such as nuclear energy. The government wants nuclear power to eventually provide reliable, low carbon and cost competitive electricity. To meet this target, the workforce is required to expand by 7,000 to 8,000 per year, with many of these replacing people who are retiring. Food and drink manufacturing. The food and drink industry will need 140,000 new recruits by 2024 in order to meet market demands. Mechanical, electrical, electronic, chemical and software engineers. These roles will be particularly sought after, with design, production and maintenance opportunities existing in numerous industries.
Thank you, Emma. Mechanics and working in the car industry. You can work as an engineer in the motor industry, find and diagnose faults using hand tools or computers, advise customers on what repairs are needed, and estimate what time and costs for jobs. Repair and replace faulty parts, and road test vehicles to test repairs. Warehouse opportunities continue to grow. The following jobs are included in warehousing: packing and picking orders, counterbalance, forklift and truck drivers. We also need managers, admin staff, IT workers. Skills required will include communication, teamwork, flexibility, Problem solving. You're on your feet all day, so you get lots of exercise too. This is a list of skills that employers require. They are transferable skills across all sectors. You will need to be able to apply numbers, add and subtract, communicate effectively with people, work with IT, manage yourself, work as a team, be able to solve problems, be good with customers, and have a good idea of the business work. Careers within engineering, manufacturing, or warehousing can be achieved through college or sixth form, through doing an apprenticeship, and following your college, sixth form, or your apprenticeship, you may go on to university. Thank you for listening to us today. I hope you found it useful. If you take a photograph of this last slide, it gives you some useful websites for further information and further research. They are careers information and some jobs that are currently available in the market. Good luck with whatever you do next and all the best in your future career.